Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Both media players have power and current firmware, and you have cables ready. Plug HDMI or optical for audio/video first, then connect Ethernet or enable Wi-Fi so devices share a network. Make sure you know each player's IP or Bluetooth ID. This avoids guessing later. Once done, activate pairing or discovery on both units. You do this now because hardware links simplify later software pairing and reduce troubleshooting time. You now focus on the middle steps, network and routing. On the first player, choose network mode, client for router, bridge for direct linking, and repeat on the second. Assign static IPs or reserve DHCP entries so addresses don't change, which keeps your streams stable. Next, in each unit's media settings, assign primary and secondary roles and pick audio/video outputs. This ensures predictable routing. Otherwise, the wrong player might try to act as master and disrupt playback. You finish by validating operation. Play the same file on both players and check sync, lip sync, and latency. If you see drift, increase buffer size or adjust codec and sample rate settings to tighten alignment. Once synced, save profiles and enable automatic reconnection. If problems persist, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot both players, replace suspect cables, and reassign IPs to eliminate conflicts. These final steps lock in a stable dual-player setup and make future reconnections seamless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.